Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, what's up? It's Naturally Nappy. And if you're old here, welcome back and thank you for your support. So this video will be a 2-strand twist video demonstrating Uniqurl's products using their leave-in detangler as well as their oil. I wash my hair with their shampoo and use their deep conditioner as well. But today's video isn't about those products. It's just about the leave-in conditioner and the oil and how I achieve this look, baby. Let's get into it. Yes. I am starting off on freshly washed hair, sectioned and detangled. So I'll just be taking these down and then adding the products to my hair and then styling. I am working on a new method on how I add products to my hair. Usually I would just add the products in and let them work themselves in once I started styling. But now I'm trying my best to, use the praying hand methods, use the raking methods to just really get that product in my hair and not worry about the product sitting on top of my hair or, it looking like I used too much product on it. So as you can see, I worked out all of the tangles by finger detangling and, raking my fingers through so the products will get in, the tangles will not be there, and that the style will be as flawless as possible. I really enjoy using this method because once I'm finished styling my hair, I don't have to worry about, letting my hair sit for an hour or two so that the white product isn't sitting on the top. I can just, style it however and go and not have to worry about the product showing. And, actually using this raking method, it elongated my hair so that I was able to see it actually looks pretty good. I cannot wait to try a wash and go. And as you see on all of my other previous uploads, there's nothing spectacular about the way I do my 2-strand twist. I just, try to make my sections equally proportioned so that once I get down to my ends or once I take the style down, I don't have to worry about, one side being uneven or me having to take hair from the other section and, stretching it to the other side, which will cause me to get frizz and mess up the entire style. And look at that. I am so proud of how far I've come in my natural hair journey, and I am definitely starting to see the results of all the hard work that I've been putting in and make sure I moisturize and detangle properly, deep conditioning, all that fun stuff that we teach you guys on YouTube. As I told you guys in my previous upload, that I also try to apply pressure with my thumb, and that's to ensure that I don't receive any more tangles while doing the 2-strand twist. So it may seem like I'm going quick, but as you see me on the ends, I'm pulling on my hair to ensure that my hair isn't knotting up, and then it'll make the ends of my twist more flawless. So yeah, this is the same old. I am going to hurry up and finish this last twist, and I am going to speed through it so that I won't waste you guys' time, because I always do 2-strand twists and it's starting to get a little boring. So here I am now in the front, finishing this left side of the right side of my head, your left, and then I would speed again and finish the other side because it's the same thing. And now I am back the next day. Look at that shrinkage. Oh my gosh. I guess you could say it is moisturized because it's definitely short. So I would take the Uniqurl oil and add some to my hand and then add it to my hair just to give it a little bit more moisture before I start taking the twist down as usual. And then I would do the opposite direction to unravel the twist and kind of like glide my fingers through it because they come apart so effortlessly. And now I am back with my entire head taken a loose. I will fluff it up a little bit and now you can see my curls, my definition. Yes, I apologize for the half screen. I didn't realize until I was completely done. But you can see, check it out, the definition in there, the moisture is there. My hair looks super nice, super defined. I love it. As always, Uniqurl, you always come through. And you know, I check a little few just in case it's too chunky in the middle. But overall, this came out perfectly and I love it. If you tried Uniqurl's products, please let me know down in the comments what's your favorite products. Have you enjoyed the line with some pros and cons of it? Let me know. Chat me up so that we can talk about it and see how we can resolve some issues if there are any. But so far, I'm doing great with them. So overall, guys, yes, I love these products. Of course, I keep coming back with more videos showing you guys ways of using this product, and I'm loving it. The moisture is here. The definition is here. I did these twists yesterday, and I took them down today, and I still have just enough definitions as I would have if I left them in for more than 2 or 3 days. The products smell good. My hair is soft. There's not a strong hold on it. The oil is definitely a compliment to the leave-in conditioner, so that once you take your hair down, you have that to, you know, re-moisturize your hair if needed. But I still use it, of course, just to put on my hands to take down the twist so that I don't get any frizz. So catch you guys in my next video. Bye.